If you want to see your GoDaddy website traffic, this video will walk you through the exact steps in a simple, beginner-friendly way. Whether you're checking visits, looking for visitor trends, or trying to understand how your website is performing, GoDaddy makes it possible to view that information right inside your account. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful software guides just like this one. Now let's get started. First, open your browser and go to godaddy.com, then sign into your GoDaddy account. Make sure you use the account that is connected to the website you want to check, because that's where your traffic data will appear. Once you're logged in, look for the My Products section. This area shows all of the products and services linked to your account, including your websites. Next, under Websites plus Marketing, click Manage. This takes you into the main control area for your website, where you can edit pages, manage settings, and view performance information. After that, open the dashboard. The dashboard is where GoDaddy organizes the most important information about your site in one place, so this is the best starting point when you want to check how your website is doing. Now, look for the Insights or Analytics section. Depending on your website setup and the current GoDaddy layout, the label may vary slightly, but the goal is the same. This section is where GoDaddy displays traffic-related data such as visits, visitor activity, and performance trends. If you don't see it right away, take a moment to scan the dashboard carefully, since it may be tucked into a panel or menu area. Once you find Insights or Analytics, click View Details. This should open a more detailed view of your website traffic information. From here, you can review the numbers more closely and get a better idea of how many people are visiting your site, when they're visiting, and how your traffic is changing over time. If you're tracking growth, this is a really useful place to check regularly so you can see whether your changes are bringing in more visitors. That's really all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you can get to your GoDaddy website traffic data and start understanding how your site is performing. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.